Next up, Barn Office Key. This one is located on farm in the Farm Grain Trade Center. What we need to do is head across to our map and navigate all the way across to the Grain Trade Center all the way over here. On the second floor, right upstairs, in this location, you'll find it. Let's get there. Approaching grain here, we'll need to head across to the building with the tall tower on it. Then head inside and upstairs. Just keep in mind that this is a relatively popular area when it comes to players, and there's usually quite a few scavs in the area, but they're relatively squishy. Finding our way in here, there's usually tons of computers, 1 or 2 downstairs and upstairs as well, that can usually contain some relatively good loot. Heading upstairs, we'll need to head into this back section here, where you'll find this door over here. It seems to already be unlocked, but you will need the key in order to get access. Inside of here, you'll find in the far corner a safe over here, and inside of it, usually some good loot. I found probably one of the most expensive items in here worth 20k. Oh, okay. It was looted, but there's still 60k worth inside of it. That's kind of crazy. I'll grab this and head out of here. On top of this, you'll also find a travel bag over here that's worthwhile searching, as well as yet another computer. And it seems like this had some okay loot in it as well. Now, besides all the loot in here, it does also give you a nice window with a good overview of quite a bit of the map, which is especially nice if you come here with some kind of a sniper, as this isn't usually a place that players are. That's it. So, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.